Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So if you don't have this, the very first thing is that you have to just go to Play Store. If you're using iPhone, then just go to the App Store. Now tap on the search bar here. Now look for Facebook. Click on it. Now you will get this option of install in the place of open. So install the Facebook now. Then just go and click on open. So you can just open it up, right, and try to check that you have got the Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't got the Facebook Marketplace, then the next thing is that just open your Facebook. Now you have to go and tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right side corner. Scroll down, go to the help and support. Now again click on report a problem, right? So you can just go to the place where Marketplace is not available, where you can just go and click on OK here, right? And then you can shake your phone, it will open up. If you don't want to do this, that's fine, you can just come to here. Now you will get this option of Facebook Help Center or report a problem, right? Continue to report a problem. Now it will just here, now click on include, right? So include it up. Now here you will get this option of Marketplace, so you have to find this Marketplace here. So let's find for the Marketplace. If you're not able to get the Marketplace, same just like me, then you have to go to the events, describe the issue, and just upload a screenshot where Marketplace is not available, and they will get back to you and they will fix it for you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.